Hello core users, we're going to work on our profile today, but first we want to make sure that we are signed in to core at marion.1220.com using your Marion email address and your Marion password. Once you're logged in, you'll see over here, these are called modules. We're going to click on our profile and it will show us a couple of things. We want to change our image, so we want to click on that to upload an image to make sure that we have a good professional profile here. We can add a summary, and that is a headline, and so maybe you are an aspiring financial planner. We could help you work on what this headline is. It could be your major, it could be your strengths, it could be a whole lot of different things, however you want to be viewed from others on this platform. So I am an aspiring financial planner. I can edit that at any time. It's going to show when my graduation is and what my email address is. I'm going to click over here on the profile tab and I can edit my preferences. So I am interested in financial services, consulting. I might also be interested in maybe doing some of that in the healthcare industry. So I'm just going to choose what it is that I am interested in. And I'm interested in fundraising, insurance, consulting again. I have a preferred city. My preferred city might be San Diego. And my preferred country might be the United States. I could add another preferred country, another preferred city. I would save that information and then that gets put in here. I am at Marion University working on my master. Make that relevant to who you are and what your majors and minors are. This is just general information about myself, my contact information I could put in here. I don't necessarily need to put that in here. And then that's my profile. I could look at my application materials. I could upload some of these documents, so I could submit a resume for somebody at the exchange to look at and approve so that it's ready to go when I start applying for positions. I could add my transcripts or recommendation letters here and house that information here until I'm ready to use it. The outcomes is going to be when you graduate. We're going to ask you to fill this out. So if you are not close to graduation, you would not do anything with this. The post-graduation is just what you have accepted or are doing after you graduate at Marion University. And you can always edit any of these on your profile at any time. Your preferences change, maybe daily, maybe weekly, maybe they never change at all, but you have the option to change those if you would like. And that is how you set up your profile.